Hi everyone, I am Wafa Lango and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. We have got a next structure that is known as going to. We will be changing it from active voice into passive voice. Here we will just discuss the definition of going to, where you will be using that. Detail we will be discussing when we'll start the structures. Structure going to, it is used for nearer future. That future which is quite near to I will teach you and I am going to teach you. It has got quite difference. I will teach you, maybe a time is specific, and I am going to teach you means it is about to start. It is quite near and close to be started. For that, and how you are going to change the sentences of going to from active voice into passive voice, that is our main target to discuss. In active voice, subject does something. In passive voice, subject is affected. This should be in your mind. When subject does something, that will be called the doer of an action, and when subject is affected in passive voice, when subject takes the place of object, there it will be called agent, not object. And what is agent? It tells us who does an action in a sentence. And when object takes the place of subject, there it will be called title subject, which we are talking about. So simple sentences, those sentences which make simple statement, are called simple sentences. From active voice into passive voice, when we change them, in active voice, formula is subject, be forms going to, first form object full stop, to plus first form object full stop. In passive voice, subject, be forms going to, be plus third form by agent full stop. He is going to take admission means nearer future. Admission is going to be taken by him. They are going to create problems. Problems are going to be created by them. Negative sentences, those sentences in which we deny the statement, reject the statement, and refuse the statement, are called negative sentences. He is not going to take admission. Admission is not going to be taken by him. They are not going to create problems. Problems are not going to be created by them. Interrogative sentences, those sentences in which we ask question, put queries, are called interrogative sentences. Is he going to take admission? Is admission going to be taken by him? Are they going to create problems? Are problems going to be created by them? Formal sentences, those sentences in which we ask question, deny the statement. We ask them in a formal way, respectful way, polite way. We use it with our elders, with our seniors, and with whom you are not close with. Is he not going to take admission? Is admission not going to be taken by him? Are they not going to create problems? Are problems not going to be created by them? Last, we have got informal sentences, those sentences in which we ask question, deny the statement, and we ask them in an informal way. And is not short form is isn't, are not aren't, and am not is ain't, but it is not used in structure going to. It can be, but when your subject is I. Isn't he going to take admission? Isn't admission going to be taken by him? Aren't they going to create problems? Aren't problems going to be created by them? So these are the sentences of structure going to from active voice into passive voice. But keep in your mind, going to as a structure in detail we will be discussing when we'll start the structures. Hope you got today's lectures. If you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon in order to get some more videos about grammar. Wish you best of luck. See you next time. Goodbye.